Good morning class 10. This is your part 6 video exercise 9.4 from arithmetic and progression, and today we start from question number 11. Okay, this is your part 6 video. Question number 11. If A comma B comma C are in GP, then show that A square comma B square comma C square are also in GP. If this question are in GP, that means you show that this one is also in GP. So first of all, this is our given that A, B, C are in GP. We know that the ratio between B and A is equals to the ratio between B and C. Sorry, C and B. We know already read that common ratio is always fixed in the GP and common difference is always fixed in AP. Okay, that means B into B, B square equals to AC. This we get. So this is our equation 1. Now this one is given A square, B square, C square is in AP. So A square, in place of B square we write down AC, C square. If this one is GP, show that this one is also GP. If this one is GP, that means the ratio between this and these are also equal. So we write down AC by A square and C square by AC is also equal. So you see A cancel, that is we get here C by A, and here is also C and C cancel, so you get here C by A. So that means this term is also what? This term is also in GP. So because the common ratio between these are also equal, the common ratio between this GP is fixed. Okay, note. Okay. If question number given 13, that if A, B, C are in AP, then show that 10 to the power ax plus b, comma 10 to the power bx plus 10, comma 10 to the power cx plus 10 are in GP. The question clear here is, see that A, B, C are in AP. Okay, A, B, C are in AP. That means these questions are in GP. You prove that. If this one is AB, we know that B minus A, that is common difference between this term, and common difference in AP is always equal. So C minus B equal. So B minus B come this side. So C plus A. That means 2B is equals to C plus A. You got it. What we got it? We got it that 2B, you see 2B equals to C plus A. Okay. Now then show that this portion is in GP. So you see what the given here, 10 AX plus B, 10 BX plus C, 10 AX plus 10. Oh, this is AX plus 10. Bx plus 10 and 10 power Cx plus 10, that this portion are in GP. If this portion are in GP, that means what? Then show that this portion are in GP. If this portion are GP, that means the ratio between these two and the ratio between these two are equal. Okay, again I repeat, if this question are in AP, so the difference between this B and A and difference between C and B is always equal. But when this portion are in GP, that means what? That ratio between these two and ratio between these two is always equal. So first of all write 10 bx by 10 and 10 power ax plus 10, and here you calculate 10 cx plus 10 and 10 bx plus 10. Okay. So first of all, you know that during the division, the power getting what? Subtract. So 10 bx plus 10 minus ax minus 10. And here is 10 cx plus 10 minus bx minus 10. This 10 cancel, here we get 10 bx minus ax, and here we get 10 cancel, cx plus cx minus bx. Okay, so you see we remove this two portion. You see 10 if you remove, because these two are in ratio. Okay, so bx minus ax equals to cx minus bx. Okay, so b come at this side, that is plus bx, and here is cx plus ax. Okay, so 2bx, and here is taking common x as, so we get c plus a. So x cancel, you see 2b equals to c plus a. We already proved this one, and this is also come. That means these two sides are equal. Okay, you see that this portion come 2b equals to c plus a, and he also proved that 2b equals to c plus a. Okay, so this is proved. Note. Okay, question number 15. If k comma 2k plus 2 and 3k plus 3 are in GP, then find common ratio of GP. If this one are GP series, then find the common ratio. We know that the ratio between the GP is always equal. So 2k plus 2 by k is equals to 3k plus 3 by 2k plus 2. So this one multiply and this one multiply. You see here 2k plus 2 square, because this one, okay, and here is k 3k plus 3. So that is a plus b square, a square plus b square plus 2 a b, and here is 3k square plus 3k. So that is 4k square plus 4 plus 8k, 3k square plus 3k. So 4k square minus 3k square plus 8k minus 3k plus 4 equals to 0. So here is k square plus 5k plus 4 equals to 0. Okay, we know that the middle term factor, the first number and last number multiplied. What is first number? 1, and last number is 4. So 1 into 4, that is 4, and middle number is what? 5, and sign is given here 5. So write two number in this form, that when you write two number, when you add two number we get 4, and you multiply these two number we get 4. Okay, you write two numbers, when you add you get 5, and we multiply these two number you get 4. So k square, in place of 5k we write down 4k plus 4, 4k plus 1k, that is 4 plus 1 5, and 4 into 1 is 4. Okay, equals to 0. So k taken common, k plus 4 plus 1 take common, k plus 4 equals to 0. So k plus 4 and k plus 1 equals to 0. So k plus 4 equals to 0, and k plus 1 equals to 0. So k equals to minus 4 and k equals to minus 1. So the answer of k is either minus 4 or minus 1. Note. Question number 17. Find GP whose fourth term is 54 and seventh term is 1458. Find the GP series. Okay, whose fourth term is given and seventh term is given 1458. Okay, find the GP series. First of all, we see fourth term is given 54. So a r n minus 1 equals to 54. A r in place of n, 4 minus 1 equals to 54. A r cube equals to 54. Okay, So AR cube equals to 54. Now the 7 term is given, that is 7 term equals to 1458. Okay, so AR n minus 1 equals to 1458. So AR in place of 7 minus 1 equals to 1458. So AR 7 minus 1 6 equals to 1458. So AR district A is A and R divided into two terms, that is R cube and R cube, 336. Okay, equals to 1458. So in place of AR cube we using equation 1, that AR cube equals to 54. Okay, into R cube equals to 1458. So R cube equals to 1458 by 54. So 9 6 are 54, 9 1 ja 9, 9 6 ja 54 and 9 2 ja 18. So 6 1 ja 6 and 6 2 ja 12, 6 2 ja 12, 6 7 ja 42. That is R cube equals to 27. So R equals to Q under root, that is 3. Okay, R cube, so this is cube root, and cube root we know that 3 into 3 into 3 for 3 3 1 3 taken as a common. So we get the R. Now time for the A. A in place of R we write down 3 because we get the 3. R cube equals to 54. Just using the equation 1, and here we putting the value of using equation 1. So A 27 equals to 54. So A equals to 54 by 27, that is 2. So the first number is 2 and the difference is 3. So the number 2 ratio is 3. That means multiply 2 3 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, 18 3 ja 54. You see the fourth term is 54 and the first term, second term, third term, fourth term is 54 dot dot dot. Okay, note. Okay, question number 19. The sum of first three terms of a GP is 39 by 10 and their product is 1. Find common ratio and the terms. The sum of the first three number of GP is 39 by 10 and their product is 1. So we know now how to take the three numbers. So let three numbers are A by R, A into R. Okay, this is a three number. The first question you see, the sum of these three is 39 by 10 and the product is 1. So product means multiply, that is A by R into AR equals to 1. So this one R cancels, so A, that is A cube equals to 1. So A equals to 1. Okay, now given the first three terms sum, that is A by R plus A plus AR, because sum of this number is 39 by 10 and the product of these three number is 1. So using this, okay, and find the value of A equals to 1, that is 1 by R plus 1 into R, that is R equals to 39 by 10. Taking LCM R, that is 1 plus R square equals to 39 by 10. So that is 10R square plus 10R plus 10 equals to 39R. So 10R square plus 10R minus 39R, this minus 39 comes this side, plus 10 equals to 0. So 10R square minus 29R plus 10 equals to 0. Middle term question comes. We know that the rules, first number into last number, that is 10 into 10, 100. Middle number is what? 29. What the sign? Plus sign. So write two number in this manner, that when you add these two number you get 29, and when you multiply these two number you get 100. So we write down that is 10r square minus 25r plus 4r. 25 plus 4 29, and 25 into 4 that is 100. This is the process of middle term. Okay, so 10r square minus 25r minus 4r plus 10 equals to 0. So taking 5r common, that is 2r minus 5, 2r minus 5 equals to 0. So 2r minus 5 and 5r minus 2 equals to 0. So r equals to 5 by 2, or r equals to 2 by 5. So this is r. Okay, so our ratio is also come. Find the term, that what are the three terms. So if you take in 5 by 2, so a is 1, you see a is 1 and the ratio is 5 by 2. So that means answer is coming 1 divided by 5 by 2, 1, and 1 into 5 by 2. If you taking r equals to 5 by 2, then the term is 2 by 5, 1, comma 5 by 2. Okay, if you consider this one as r, which one is 2 by 5? So 1, 2 by 5, 1, 1 into 2 by 5. So this one is 5 by 2, 1 into 2 by 5. Okay, if you consider this r 5 by 2, so answer is 2 by 5, 1 and 5 by 2. If you consider this one is r, so 5 by 2, 1 and 2 by 5. Okay, note.